is so big and full of life, and it brings a little flavor to your looks. To your looks.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to your girl's channel. So let's get right into it, because let me tell you, Dominica is back, baby. Dominica, she's back, okay? So if you haven't or have no clue as to what I'm talking about, who is Dominica? Who is Dominica? Baby, she's one of the most popular wigs, okay? From the Outre collection. Get into it, okay? I did Dominica, I think like last year or something like that. And it was like, that was the longer version. This time we got like the shorter version. This is the 16 inches. I don't remember how long the other Dominica was. But baby, that was one of my favorite wigs. And a lot of people were so in love with that wig, okay? My second highest view video, boo. So let's make this one the first one, okay? Let's replace the first one. Dominica, 16 inches, let's do it. Okay, so this is a perfect hairline from Outre. Her name is oh, you guessed it, Dominica. Dominica, 16 inches, color DR2/cinnamon wine. And this is how she's looking. This is our card that is attached to it with the different color choices on the back. This is a fully hand-tied 13x14 frontal, ear-to-ear, soft HD transparent lace, natural baby hairs, comes with pre-attached elastic band, pre-plucked hairline, and heat styling friendly. So this is our lace, 13x4 lace right here. This is the elastic band, and we have two combs in the front and one in the back. Let's get into this hair. So it's big, puffy, poofy. It's a lot going on for me right now. I have to adjust. Let me adjust. Let me get it to how I need it to feel like something. I don't know, like I love the hair of course, but I don't know, it's the color. Maybe it's the color for me. Like I'm just like I don't know, overthinking. Hold on, let me play with it some more. Okay, so I'm starting to love it more when I'm moving it over here to this side. Hold on. Hold on, I'm coming. What y'all think? Cause it's growing on me, but I really just don't know about the color for me. Like I know this wig would be like perfection for me if I just had it in a solid natural black color. I don't know. Cause I love the hair texture, like I said, but I don't know if it's the color for me. What y'all think? It's growing on me because I feel like a wild woman, a wild, sexy woman. I'm trying to find my sexy. It's in there. I see it. Hold on. Yeah, it's growing on me. It's growing. It's definitely growing on me though. Best believe I'm finding my sexy, baby. So let's look at this parting. Oops, y'all can see my little cap right here. So learn to not put your cap right there if you want a part to be seen. You know what I'm saying? Don't put a cap there if you gonna have shown parts, okay? But me, I'm gonna have that thing free. I'm gonna have it tucked. You're not even gonna see that part, okay? You're not even gonna see it. I might need to do some coloring right here. Hold on. Add a little makeup to it. because it was a little too white for me. Yep, there we go, a little more right there. Hold on, let me get a little bit more down. Not too much though. I think I want to do a style this time for this video. Yeah, let's do a style. I'm gonna just do it like this. Like a cute little bun like that. I like it. I'm gonna do it like this. But of course I'm gonna fix my edges better on this side, cause what? Dominica 16 has grown on me, okay? I love it. I really do love the feel of it, the fluffiness, the fullness of it, the curls of it, the big puffiness of it. It started a little rocky for me because the color I had to adjust, but overall I love this wig. Dominica is period the ish, okay? Don't play with Dominica. She is legendary. Come on. I'm gonna do it better than this, y'all. I'm gonna do it better, I promise. You gotta believe in me. I'm gonna do better than this. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better. I love this hair. Go, 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 go. Shout out to Dominica. Shout out to Outre for Dominica. Dominica 16. She's on the scene. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in to Dominica 16. She's free, she's fun, she's dope, she's fabulous. She got a little cool lingo about her. Go get her, okay? Go get her. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.